Welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're tearing down Conri Coding's incredibly fast, real-time dashboard case study.
Picture this, 5,000 records constantly hammering the browser. So how do they handle that massive load?
The goal is zero rendering lag. We absolutely have to dodge that browser-crashing DOM stacking trap. They nailed this using 3 core pillars: ring buffer memory, custom virtualization, and highly precise DOM tuning.
Hurdle number 1, managing those crazy unbounded data streams hitting the app every 100 milliseconds. Enter the ring buffer. By slicing off old entries, this circular algorithm guarantees absolute memory stability.
Standard rendering just crashes the DOM. Instead of bulky libraries, they built a slick, custom virtualization engine.
It maps start and indices and tracks the scroll position instantly, calculating exactly what you see.
Here's the magic. Off-screen rows literally never enter the DOM. It only renders the visible viewport.
Add a tiny overscan margin for safety, and boom, you're locked in at a flawless 60 frames per second.
Moving to Pillar 3, DOM tuning. We have to stop those unnecessary component re-renders dead in their tracks.
By wrapping rows and KPI cards in React.memo, they block random updates, saving massive system resources.
Now, to show live data changes without lag, they use these really smart, isolated flash animations. They even tap into CSS to respect your device's motion preferences, keeping everything ultra-responsive and accessible.
Using Tailwind, Grid, and Flexbox keeps the whole layout incredibly lightweight and snappy across any screen size.
As they put it, strict human guidance turns complex code into ultra-smooth, intelligent user interfaces. So CTOs and devs, for massive real-time dashboards, are you building custom virtualization or trusting third-party libraries?